G'day and welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode we are talking about the crown wheel and pinion to suit primarily the A series engine. So this is the crown wheel out of Grace. This is a 3.2 to 1 diff ratio and this is the final drive. Now why do they offer different styles of final drives for your classic Mini or Moke? Simply because you can increase the top speed or increase the acceleration of your vehicle depending what sort of usage you're doing, whether it be racing, whether it be long distance driving, or it might just be you want a really good top speed so it brings the revs down. So depending on what you're doing with the vehicle, it is important to make sure that you match the right crown wheel and pinion with the vehicle. On that note, a crown wheel and pinion setup will always come as a matched pair. You never want to mix and match because otherwise the ratio can be thrown out, they may not engage your gears properly and may cause excessive damage and strain to the final drive. Now, depending on what you're doing with the vehicle, as I said, if you're doing any sort of long distance driving, you want a really good top speed, you want some good acceleration, this is the best way to do it. But the downside is whatever you gain, for instance, in the top end, you're going to lose in the bottom end. You don't want a car that has a really high top speed and gives you no acceleration off the line. You're having to slip the clutch and really push it and rev it to get it going. Nor do you want a car that accelerates ridiculously quick and has a really short top speed unless you are doing really short circuit racing and you need to get that acceleration. So depending on what you need, make sure you hit them up at the guys at Minisport. Check them out on their website at www.minisport.com.au. Upgrade your diff if you're looking to get any sort of performance benefit out of it, or if you're like me and want to do longer cruising times to bring those revs down a little bit, check out the diffs they have available.